So if we learn that polygons, in order to find the sum of the angles inside, all we do is we take the number of sides minus 2 and multiply that by 180, then any quadrilateral has how many sides? 4. So it'd be 2 times 180, which is 360 degrees. So we know today every quadrilateral is going to add up to 360. Well, in this case, we start with 360, and we subtract the 120, and we subtract 65, and we subtract 90, because that guy has a box on it, and we'll get the question mark. So what is that? So this angle right here is 85 degrees. So the first 6 are like that. This is number 1. You take 360 and subtract the angles they give you, and then you find the angle that's missing, okay? That 90 plus 18x plus 70 plus 110 equals 360. All 4 add up to 360. And when we add 90, 70, and 110, we get 280, maybe? Somebody tell me. We get 270 plus 18x equals 360. So when I subtract 270 from this side, I get 18x equals 90. And divide by 18, I think that's 5. X equals 5. All right, so still the same rule. We've got all of that mess, 17x plus 4 plus 85 plus 20x minus 2 plus 17x plus 3 equals 360. And then we go ahead and combine what we can. So all the x's is 54x, I believe. Somebody check that for me.
54x.
So those are all the x's. And then 4 plus 85 is 89, minus 2 is 87, plus 3 is 90.
Yep, it's 90.
Equals 360. When we subtract 90 from each side, we get 270. And when we divide 270 by 54, we get 5, I think.
Yep.
X equals 5. So that's not what they're asking us. They're asking us for the measurement of angle E. Angle E is 20x minus 2. Oh, but x is 5. So we plug 5 in there. 20 times 5 minus 2, which should be 98.